and welcome to our next video where we discuss about the Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation. Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation is where we have one x coefficient is there with our dy by dx. So our equation seems to be like this: every term containing x with same power of derivative here. So, and right hand side is always function of x only. So, in this case, what is the solution? First, we reduce this Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation in linear differential equation of constant coefficient, and the solution, further solution is the same: y is equal to cf plus pi, complementary function plus particular integral. So, in this case, what is the solution? We substitute x is equal to e to the power z. If x to the power x is equal to e to the power z, therefore z is equal to log of x. Z is equal to log of x. Then if we derive dy by dx, we can derive dy by dz, dz by dx. And from this z is equal to log x, our dz by dx is equal to what? d by dx of log x is 1. So our dz by dx is 1 by x. Substitute here. Hence dy by dx is equal to 1 by x, dy by dz. Therefore x comes this side, x dy by dx is equal to dy by dz. If substitute, this is the main part, you have to remind this. Here capital D denotes d by dz, not d by dx. So d by dz, substitute if d, then x dy by dx replace with d of y. Similarly for second order derivative, if we find d2y derivative, d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square is d by dx of our dy by dx. dy by dx is what? 1 by x dy by dz. Clear? Now differentiate with respect to x. So when 1 by x differentiate, minus 1 by x square, second function as it is, plus second function when we differentiate d by dx of dy by dx, d by dx we rewrite d by dz, dz by dx. See, so this is d. So what it becomes? d2y by dz square into dz by dx. Again dz by dx is equal to log of 1 by x. Replace here. So our function becomes x square d2y by dx square is equal to d minus 1 of y. So means this is how we replace. Now I show you what is the replacement. It means our x dy by dx is replaced with d of y. X square d2y by dx square is replaced with d minus 1 of y. So and so on. So next x cube d3y upon dx cube is replaced with, yes, d minus 1, d minus 2 into y, and so on. So up to nth derivative our equation is like that. We have to replace these terms with these terms, where you should remember capital D is equal to d by dz, and at the end when our question will be finished, we again replace z equal to log x and e to the power z equal to x for the final solution. When we substitute these terms in the given equation, our Cauchy's homogeneous equation converted into linear differential equation with constant coefficient in y and z. Then further solution is same. We have to solve, find out the CF and PI in terms of y and z. At the end again we replace z with log x and e to the power z with x. So that's the Cauchy's homogeneous differential equation. In next video I will show you one example how to solve Cauchy's differential equation. Okay, thank you.